What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly to Outlook email. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in outlook.live.com. After typing, you will be welcome to the Microsoft Outlook email. So if you are new here, you need to enter your Outlook email credentials like your Outlook email and the password, and then you will be able to access the Outlook email. Now, after coming to the home page, on the left side, you can see the option of new mail. Simply give it a click and then a new mail will open. Now, after coming here, just make sure that you have installed Grammarly and add it to your Chrome extensions. After coming to the new mail, you just go to the content section and then on the right side, uh, click on rewrite with Grammarly, and here give it a command to write me an email. After that, Grammarly will work on it and then write the email. After that, when the email is written, just simply click on insert, and then your email has been successfully inserted here. As you can see, you can uh, copy this line of subject, and then you can add a subject here, and you can this is the content of your mail. You can edit it according to yourself, and this is how you can add Grammarly to Outlook emails. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.